Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create job profile in LinkedIn. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So in this case, what you can do is you can just head over and sign in or sign up to your LinkedIn account. So if you already have an account, you can sign in, or you can also click on this sign up right here if you don't have an account yet. So this is what it looks like. Just enter in here your email and phone number as well as the password that you want to use in this case. So I'll just head over and then put in here my email and phone number as well as my password. So from in there, just enter in here your phone number and click on submit, and then from in there, it's actually a security check on their end, and then they will send you a verification code to register. So as you can see right here, I have registered right now to my LinkedIn, and this is what the homepage looks like. So what you can do in this case is you can head over right here to your Me page, and then click on this view profile. And on this profile that I have, this is actually still very blank. So you can head over and click on this open to, and then select in here if you're open to finding a new job, open for hiring, or open for providing services. So in here, you can choose which one is actually the one for you. So for example, let's put in here finding a new job. And then this will load and it will ask you what is your job title. So you can choose which job title that you have. You can just type in here what you have in here by clicking on this add title. And for example, let's put in here designer, fashion designer, which is much more designated. So for example, let's put in here fashion designer, click on that, and as you can see, it's been added right there. So once it's been added, you can choose the location types that you want. It can be on-site, hybrid, or you can also choose remote. And from in there, you can choose in here your locations on your on-site and locations when you're remote. So click on this add location and then just put in here your location that you want. So for example, right here, let's just put in here Chicago, Illinois. And then start date, I can start immediately or if you're flexible. And then put in here employment types that you want. It can be full-time, part-time, contract, or anything that you want it to be. From in there, click on the save option. And then this visibility will be visible for recruiters only or for all LinkedIn members. So for example, for this, let's choose this recruiters only and click on this save. And then in here, you can see your update settings, so you can email updates if you have any job. So you can also click on this no thanks if you don't want that. And then from in there, as you can see, it will actually reload your page in order to see that you're open to work. Now in here, you can see in here that you can verify now. So click on this verify now right here, and it just needs to verify your identity in order to make sure that you're the one on your profile. So as you can see, the verification with persona only takes 5 minutes, so make sure that you click on this right here in order to verify. When you click on this, it will ask you to use this code in order to verify and open the LinkedIn app. That's because your phone has camera while your desktop or laptop doesn't have that. So just head over and then verify from in there, and then once you're done, you should be able to be verified on your profile. Now in here, you can see that we have this camera icon. So in this, you can head over and then just upload in here an image of yourself. Make sure that your image is professional looking. So let's click on this camera icon, and in here, make sure that you have something that represents you. Click on this upload photo right here if you already have a photo ready for you. However, if you don't have a photo yet, head over and then just create or take a picture first. So I have uploaded in here a photo that I've got. So just head over and make sure to crop your photo to see what you want it to see. Then from in there, you can also add some filters and also adjust the brightness, saturations, or anything that you want. From there, click on the save photo right here, and then once you have saved that, it will be uploaded right there. Now you also have the option to change your header. So click on this camera icon, click on this edit profile background. So it totally depends on you which one you want for this. For this one, I want you to use something that represents what you're doing for a living. So I have in here my Canva. You can actually just use Canva to create your cover. I have uploaded in here my picture and then my name, and also in here my job title, which is fashion designer. So you can use that to your advantage in order to make this possible. And then from in there, just edit it out however you want. You can change up the colors as well and add some few more elements that you want. Then from in there, click on this share icon and then click on this download and head over and download this as a PNG. Once it's been downloaded, let's head back right here to our LinkedIn. So from in there, click on this edit profile background. So click on it and then locate the file that we have downloaded, which is this one. So click on it and open it. And then as you can see right here, it will allow you to resize your background photo. So just head over to the part wherein you want to put it. As you can see, I will choose this one and crop it out. You can also zoom it out, zoom it in, and also straighten it up. Now you can also see in here some filters that you can choose from as well in here, and you can also adjust it to get random to your preference. You can adjust your brightness, your contrast, your saturation, as well as your vignette for this case. Now from in there, click on this apply option right here once you're done editing your background photo. Once it's been added, this will load, and as you can see, it will be added. Now this is really good because it has your name and it has in here your actual position. Now it will also help if your position right here has some results that you've already made. Like for example, I designed a dress for this particular celebrity or the likes, but if you don't have any work experience yet, then this one is actually really good as well. Now in here, you can actually see in here some analytics and also your about page. Now in here, you can click on this about page and click on this pencil icon. And now in here, what you can do is you can head over and put in here your user experience, industry, or skills. If you don't have that yet, then it's no worry. You can list in here your skills, like for example, very creative, designed a lot, and you can also put in here all the achievements that you have in school as well. And when you scroll down, you can also add some skills. Let's add in here some skills for design and also some other skills that they have. So you can put in here where you use those skills. Like for example, if you use this on school, you can click on the school right here and click on save. And now in here, you can also add some few more skills, like for example, fashion consulting. So you can add it on your school as well if you don't have an experience. But if you already have an experience on a job, you can click on your job right here and click on save. Now once you have done that, this will load and add this particular skills in here. Now let's close this, and then for example, let's first save this. Now in here, let's scroll up, and in here you can see in here that you can actually add some business that you have. So if you already attended school, then you can add it from in here as well. So let's try to scroll down, and you can see in here people you may know. So you can see in here some people, like for example, this one is a fashion designer. Since we're also fashion designer, we can connect on them. Now once you click on that, this will actually still be a pending option. This is because this is a person that we actually just connected just now, and they need to confirm our connect request. Now if they actually allowed our connection request, the people that are connected with will be able to see us as well, and that way our circle will actually expand in that way. So hope you learned a lot in this video. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.